Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In part 2 of my leisurewear upcycling series, I'll explain how I took this ordinary sweater and refashioned it into a more modern style. I picked up this sweater for a few dollars from my local thrift store. It had clearly been well loved because it was stretched out of shape and the fabric was covered in pilling balls. I loved the spearmint colour though and couldn't resist buying it. The first step was to get rid of the pilling. Pilling are those little balls that form on the fabric from years of wear and washing. To do this, I always use a standard razor to remove them, simply scraping it over the fabric. I recommend testing the process on an unseen piece of fabric just to make sure the razor won't damage it. Next, I took in the side seams to reduce the width so it fit me a little better. Then I cut off the ribbed fabric along the bottom hem. This was all stretched out of shape. Then I sewed a new bottom seam, ensuring it was wide enough to accommodate the new tie for the waist. To accommodate the new hole for the waist tie at the front, I marked the center of the bottom hem with chalk, and I then cut a vertical hole. To finish off the hole, I used the buttonhole stitch on my sewing machine. To make the waist tie, I used the bottom ribbed section I cut off previously. This was then threaded through the new bottom hem. And finally, I cut off the ribbing from the bottom of each sleeve. This was also really stretched, and I added a new elasticated hem. And here it is finished. I see sweaters like this all the time when thrifting, and if I love the colour, I will definitely be picking up more of them. If you want to see more upcycling videos like this, please throw me a thumbs up so I know what people like to watch. I have more videos coming in this leisurewear upcycling series, so for more inspiration, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.